Hello foodie, welcome to our channel. Today we are sharing with you one of the easiest recipes of fish curry. First we will marinate the fish with salt and turmeric and keep it aside for around 10 to 15 minutes. We will then deep fry the marinated fish pieces. We are using fresh fish here to make this recipe. Fresh fish definitely enhances the taste of this recipe. If you can get fresh fish at your place, we would suggest you use fresh fish for this recipe to get the best taste. We are using Rohu fish for this recipe. You can use any fish of your choice and follow this recipe. While you deep fry the fish pieces, you can keep aside few fried fish pieces and serve it as a starter with some salad. It tastes delicious. Let us know in the comment section if you have tasted this before. Coming back to the fish fry, once the fish pieces turn golden brown, take it off from the pan. Now let's prepare the masala for the gravy. Here we have taken 2 medium-sized onions, 1-inch ginger, 8 pods of garlic, 4 red chilies, 4 to 5 cloves, 1-inch cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. We will blend this into a paste and keep it aside. You can adjust the chilies as per your taste. For tomato puree we are taking 3 tomatoes and will blend it. Once the spices blend and tomato puree is ready, we will cook the masala. Add salt and turmeric powder and cook till the raw aroma is gone. Add the tomato puree and continue cooking the masala paste until the excess water content in the paste evaporates. At this point the masala paste turns brown and is so aromatic. Once the masala is cooked well, add water and let it cook for 5 minutes and your gravy will be ready. This step of cooking the masala is very crucial for the taste of the curry, so have patience and cook the masala till it's done, else your curry will have the taste and aroma of the raw spices and nobody wants that. Well-cooked masala will give your curry the right balance of flavors. In this gravy we have used minimal spices which are easily available in every kitchen, and it enhances the taste of the curry. This recipe is also ideal for people who have less tolerance to hot and spicy food. How do you like to have fish? Do you like fish fry or fish curry? We feel that few fishes like pomfret tastes delicious when fried and few like rohu, katla tastes yummy when prepared as a curry. What do you think? Also, let us know your favorite fish dish in the comment section. Once the gravy is ready, add the fried fish pieces into the gravy and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. The fried fish pieces will become soft and it will also absorb the flavors. And voila! Delicious and aromatic fish curry is ready. You can garnish it with coriander leaves and serve it with cooked white rice. We are sure you will love this recipe. If you try this recipe, do let us know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share our video with your friends and family.